2025 is ending.
और ये साल जाते जाते एक सवाल छोड़कर जा रहा है.
Did you become the person you wanted to be this year? अगर हाँ, this video is for you. और अगर नहीं then trust me, this video is especially for you. अगर आपने 2025 में प्रमोशन ली, बिजनेस ग्रो किया, एग्जाम क्रैक किया, सेलिब्रेट जरूर करें. Want, but don't stop there. Because winners don't just celebrate, they reflect.
Which habit pushed me forward?
Which decision changed the game?
Which skill became my real strength? Success repeats only when it is understood.
और अगर 2025 वैसे नहीं गया जैसे आपने प्लान किया था. You did not fail. You learned. Some years are for direction, not results.
Don't blame this year. Study this year.
What went wrong? Where did I quit early? Which skill is missing?
These questions will make you dangerous in 2026.
Confusion means you are ready to grow.
This platform is not just motivation. It is about building yourself, building a stronger future, starting today.
Goodbye 2025. शुक्रिया सबक और स्ट्रेंथ के लिए.
2026, no excuses, only execution.
Comment your one winning habit or your next move. 2026 belongs to those who engage.
Comment your one winning habit or your next move. 2026 belongs to those who engage.